guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is the room tour. So if you've been following my videos, you will know that me and my boyfriend moved in with his parents into their new house, and our bedroom is a summer house in the garden. So we've been in now for about 3 weeks or so, and yeah, the room is fully done. So yeah, I thought, why not show you a room tour to document it? So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start just by showing you the outside of the summer house, which is like so, and those little black things are lights. So you've got these little stepping stones, and when you walk in, you go through the net curtain, and then this is what you see. So if I've walked in the door and I'm going to turn left. So we've got just our bin here. We don't really have a place for it, so it just belongs in the middle of the room. We've got these two units which are from IKEA, and they are sold separately, but you actually like stick them together and they're new. So this is a cupboard that pops open like so. I won't show you inside because it's all just a bit of a mess, like so. Yeah, and then you've got these drawers that just, on top of this you've got my speaker, which is from Urban Outfitters, my Pisces candle, which I've got from Asda, my little Tenerife sand from Tenerife, one of my cactus candles, this marble, it's actually a tea light holder, but I've just got it as like a marble centerpiece, it's very heavy, and a bit of amethyst on a marble coaster. And this is just my mug of drink. And this mug, I actually got it in a shop in Norfolk, I think it's called Daniel's, it's a department store, and it wasn't expensive at all, but yeah, I don't know where else you can get it. And then moving next to that, we have the TV on the wall with the clock above it, and then below that we've got these chest of drawers from IKEA, which were in my old bedroom. And on top of that we've got a box here full of like lettery things for a board that I've got up. We've got on our TV box, we've got a eucalyptus candle, this picture that I made for my boyfriend. I think I made it for Valentine's Day. Like, they're very old pictures because I think I made it when we were like shooting together like 2 years, maybe a year, 2 years. Yes, that's old, but that just belongs there, and it sort of hides all these cables that are behind it for the TV. And then in front of that, we've got a notepad for reminders for each other. We mainly use this though to write like shopping lists and stuff when we go food shopping. Then we've just got my keys shoved on there. My boyfriend's glasses, which I don't really know why they're up here. The game he's got in his Xbox at the moment, his Xbox controller, and then like his PlayStation and Xbox just up there. And then the drawers are just my clothes. But yeah, oh, and the bins from IKEA too, by the way. But yeah, moving over, we've got this wardrobe which has sliding doors, so all my stuff is in this side. It doesn't look very neat because it's got to all fit. But yeah, they're great for storage. They're a bit of a nightmare to put together, but they work fine. So then going round, I'll quickly just show you the floor at the end of the bed. We've got this rug, which we love. We actually found it in HomeSense, which is the home part of TK Maxx, if you didn't know. And yeah, we love it. It just sits slightly under the bed, but it covers our floor. We just have to take our shoes off here and on this mat before we walk through, so we don't ruin it. This basket, which is from HomeSense as well, a while ago, and we've just got throws in it. I've got like a wheat bag, like just bits and bobs really for the bed. So then next to the wardrobe in front, we've got this sign, which was in my old bedroom, that I just put quotes in it. So at the moment it says, be nice, get lots of sleep, drink plenty of water. And then you move slightly further down, just before we get to my makeup desk, we've just got our Dyson fan that we actually bring out into the room when we use it, and sort of just put it in the middle of the floor. That is just my work bag, so it sort of just goes wherever. So then moving along, this is the next section. So this is sort of like my makeup section. So this desk is from IKEA, and it's got just a drawer that that's got quite most of my makeup in, to be fair. This chair, which, let me just take this off, it's just an acrylic chair with chrome legs. That is from a website online for a shop, I think it's in Leicester. Really inexpensive, the cheaper one that I found, because they were all very expensive, and yeah, it came really quick. Then this on top is just a black fake fur rug, which is from Argos. That was only £15. That's new in as well, I got that the other day. And then just on top of the desk, we've got my makeup brush holders, which are actually like bathroom holders from Dunelm. This was £7, I think this was £4.50, I could be wrong, but they're just perfect for my everyday makeup. behind that, I've just got my moisturiser and a spare wax for my beauty. I've just got this hairbrush, which if anyone wonders, is like a Tangle Teezer, but it got wings. They do these different colours. I got that in TK Maxx. Just a vanilla candle, a little notebook, a skull. It's a money pot, but I don't put anything in it. It's just sort of decoration. One of these light up mirrors, which I use when I'm getting ready. Just my perfumes, some deodorant, a body wash that I've broke, so I can't put it away. And then moving on to this hexagon mirror. Oh, knee fell over, which I love. I got this in Dunelm, and it was only £25. Very inexpensive, if you ask me, and it is a heavy mirror, good quality mirror. So then you move over, and I've got my Alex drawers, which are from my old room, and they're just full of random things, to be honest. Like some of my hair and makeup and facial stuff's in the bottom, and then it's paperwork, you know, for important stuff that we didn't know where to put it. Spare books, jewellery, complete random hair stuff, like extra shampoo and stuff, sunglasses. It's so random. But on top of that, I've got my Essence stick holder, a box of matches, a keyring with my name on it. That's actually a bit of rice that has got my name on it. My parents got that for me when they were away. My beehive jewellery holder, another cactus candle, a candle that was from ASOS, it's vanilla, my cactus, which is growing, looking a bit odd. This is just a reed diffuser my friend bought me. This is the sign for hope. It's a mirrored sign. It should go on the wall, but we've got really nowhere for it to go, so I'm just leaning it there for now. And behind my cactus I just have its water spray that I can fill up and spray it with. And then just hanging off the beam above that, we've just got me and my boyfriend's name that's engraved on a wooden heart. My parents and my granddad got them when they were away, I don't know where, somewhere in England or the Isle of Wight, I'm not really sure. Yeah, we didn't really know where to put it, so we just hung it up there. But yeah, and then moving over, we've got my big mirror on the wall, which I said in my last room tour, it's the same mirror. I don't know where it's from. Unfortunately, my parents got it for me, and I just don't know where it's from. And I've had it years, so I'm not sure, but I'm sure there are many that you can find online similar. Then I just got my little footstool. This is a bag of stuff that I'm sending off to my friend, just clothes, and there's stuff for another friend, and then some spare envelopes. I need to find out what to do with those. We then have our laundry basket. So not that exciting, but it's got a divider. It's from IKEA. I have my handbag next to that. Then you go up, we've just got our Hoover, our Dyson Hoover on the wall there, so it charges. And then this is our lamp. That's actually from IKEA too, and it's really good. It lights up the whole room, and you just turn it on up here, and yeah, it lights up. Next to that, we've just got some random stuff down here. Like I've got a big dog, a like yoga mat, but then we have my bedside table. These are from IKEA too. You can't really see it. Mine just looks a bit like a mess, but it is an organised mess. So I'll start on the top. We've got these lamps that are from IKEA, which I showed in my last room tour. They just get brighter and dimmer. I've got a candle from HomeSense, a box of tissues, a glass heart that my granddad bought me back from being on holiday, my little jewellery holder, which I don't know where that's from. I think I got that for Christmas. I've just got my Dyson fan remote, another marble coaster from HomeSense. I've got my drawer, which just has random things in it, tablets, stuff like that. And then on this shelf, I've got some biscuits that I snack on, some books, my iPad, a box full of stuff. And then going down below that, where it looks messy, it is organised. So this is actually my boyfriend's anniversary present. That's why it's just shoved down there. And there's cards shoved down there too. So this is my laptop along the side. There's a pot of pens and scissors and a lighter. My chargers, a couple of books in this basket. And this basket is full of the Hoover bits, basically. You know, like these ends and stuff. And then I've got an extension lead just coming out here to charge my bits and bobs. So looks messy, but it is an organised mess, I promise. So I'll just take a step back and I shall show you the bed. So this is the bed. It is just a white ottoman bed, so it does lift up. It is just from, oh no, we got it on Dunelm in the end. We ordered so many beds, and then we kept getting delayed, but like months delayed. So I found this one on Dunelm, and it was only £200 and something. Perfectly. It's just a double, but fits perfectly. Our sheets are just from IKEA. They're quite cold sheets, like they keep you refreshed. These pillows are from B&M, just 2 different types of pillows. This is actually folded, so it does go twice the size throw. This is from the range, and it was actually only £4.99, which I thought was amazing for the sort of what it is. Like £4.99 is very expensive. I didn't want to buy any more because I've already got some, but they just weren't dark enough. I wanted a darker one to sort of tie in the room. So yeah. So above that I have my hexagon shelves that were in my old room. I've just got them here in a different order. So I just bought new cactuses for them. These new cactuses, they are all from IKEA. They came in a set 3, but I've got my crystals, my skull candle, which was from Asda, some more marbly crystals and some more rock crystals. But yeah, I just displayed them differently in here because I always just mix it up and it not feel exactly the same. So then I just move over, and then it's just my boyfriend's bedside cabinet and some shoes he's left on the floor. But the same thing, we've got the same light. He's left a mug there. He just keeps bits and bobs out. But yeah, and then he's got baskets and a tray thing with his different bits on. But yeah, it's a very short but sweet room tour, but we love the look of the neck curtains. We feel like it makes it look quite beachy. When we pull the curtains over, it's great. We also just have up here a little Titanic sign that my parents brought back from holiday with them, just because they know I like boats and the Titanic. So that is it for the room tour. Not a very big room, obviously, but it's perfect for what we need. We just go inside to use the toilet, the kitchen, stuff like that. And as you can see behind me, the house isn't exactly far. It's not a massive garden where we're miles away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will get back to you with an answer. But yeah, have a lovely day, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Lots of love, bye!